episode, I'll be telling you all about the plants and planters I've used to decorate my balcony, and I've grown plants that require low maintenance, and which means you have to take a very little care of them. And on the other hand, I've used different types of planters, such as planters made of plastic, terracotta, and ceramic. The size of these planters vary from 4 to 6 inches in weight. So here, this is a different Tia plant which I have grown in 4-inch wide planter. It is a plastic planter. Then next I have grown a snake plant which is of a dwarf variety. This plant I have grown in 4-inch pot. This is also a plastic pot. And the next one is a plant of dianthus. This is in a plastic pot, and then again it is there in a terracotta planter. This terracotta planter I have painted. Then next is a lucky bamboo plant. This looks very beautiful. This is also in a plastic pot which is of 4 inches wide. Then next is again a snake plant of dwarf variety, which is in a terracotta and a plastic pot. Then next again we have a big tall lucky bamboo plant. I have given a twisted shape to the stem of this plant. It is grown in a ceramic pot. Then here next we have orchidea plant. It is grown in a plastic pot which is of 4 inches wide. Next is a pineapple plant. This is also grown in a plastic pot. So these are all my plants. You can also keep some stone art designs next to your planters, which increase the creativity of your balcony.